Hey guys, it's CC Cubing and I'm back for another video. In this video, you're going to have an unboxing from eBay. So this is what the package looks like, and let's open it up. I'm just going to open it off camera real fast. Actually, let me put it in the video. I think I know what this is. Yay, it's a mini magic. So let me set this to the side. And let's open this up. We got like a pamphlet on how to like solve it and stuff. And the back. And then we have the magic. I've never had a magic before. This is my first time. And it's really weird. By the way, it's a mini magic. So yeah, this magic seems really cool, but I don't know how to solve it. So I'm just gonna go on, learn how to solve it. And I might even make a tutorial after I learn, because it seems really easy. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.